Today we're talking about question number 24 from the trigonometry final review. Use the information given about the angle theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi to find the exact value of the indicated trigonometric function. Cosecant theta equals 17 over 8 and theta is greater than pi over 2 but less than pi. The first thing to remember is that cosecant is the reciprocal function of sine, or 1 over sine theta. And that would be the reciprocal of the SOHCAHTOA definition of sine, or hypotenuse over opposite. We'll also need to reference our double angle identities. For cosine's double angle, we have three different options: cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. We want to reference that our theta is going to be less than pi and greater than pi over 2, which will help us when we sketch in the plane. And we'll also identify that 17 equals the hypotenuse and 8 is the opposite side from the angle. When we sketch in the plane, we're definitely going to put this triangle in the second quadrant, because once again we want it to be greater than pi over 2 but less than pi. And then we set up the 8 across, or opposite the theta, and the 17 as the hypotenuse. We were asked to find the double angle of the cosine of theta, so I chose to use the 1 minus 2 sine squared theta option from our double angle identities. I chose that because we already have this function defined for sine without solving for anything else. We just need to find the reciprocal of the cosecant of theta. The reciprocal would be 8 over 17, so I went ahead and plugged that in as the sine value, giving us 1 minus 2 times the quantity of 8 over 17 squared theta. Went ahead and squared the sine value first, giving us 1 minus 2 times the quantity of 64 over 289 theta. And simplified further by distributing the 2 to the fraction, giving us 1 minus 128 over 289. You want to remember here, to make it easier on you if you aren't already thinking this, that 1 is the same as 289 over 289. So our final solve will be 161 over 289 equals cosine 2 theta. Thanks for watching.